Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing a DIY wash day routine. This is Africa Black Soap. If you are not seeing that video where I make this black soap, I will leave it up here so that you can go and wash it and know how I make this black soap. And this is avocado hair mask that I'm going to use as a deep conditioner after the shampoo because it's a DIY wash day routine. So I have avocado, castor oil, sweet almond oil, and carrot oil. This is the oil that I have in here. So without wasting much of your time, let's go into this video. So just going to wash. Don't take any of this. Wow, it's so cold. So this next step, this is the next step. Does anyone care for? First of all, show my hair on like this. This is pure avocado hair mask. I did not add any other thing apart from oil. If you twist it. Twist. Go to the next section. Buona Pasqua! Happy Easter! I filmed this video on Friday, which is Good Friday. Maybe I may not upload it today, so I'm using this opportunity to wish all my subscribers a happy Easter. Happy Easter to you all, guys. If you cannot afford deep conditioner, please go for this. This is our budget. You can still take care of your health with the natural ingredients. This is pure natural ingredients, guys. This is big. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's grow together. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and also share if you can. See that course. Oh, my eyes. Oh, my eyes. It's not easy. Oh, Jesus. The struggle is real. Natural hair struggle is real. So I'm going to cover my hair now. I will leave it for 1 hour, then I will come back to show you how this product work on my hair. See you guys later. So guys, this is my hair now. Can you guys see this coils? Can you guys see that? Oh my god, this is so good. You guys see these coils here? So this is the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.